say projection of one line, that is the projections of end points of that particular line are actually drawn and are connected. Suppose I name this as the elevation of line AB, A dash B dash, and this is plan of line AB. These will form the projections of a line AB. And then we check each and every point on it. Point A is above horizontal plane and in front of vertical plane, or you can always remember that elevation above XY, plan below XY, point will belong to first quadrant. Another description that I am giving you over here is elevation above XY line, plan below XY line, point will belong to first quadrant. Elevation above XY line and plan is also above XY line, that is both above, point will belong to second quadrant. Elevation below XY line and plan above XY line, the point will belong to third quadrant. And then elevation below XY line and plan also is below XY line, point will belong to fourth quadrant. Ultimately we say that both above XY it is second quadrant, both below XY line it is fourth quadrant. And then when the plan and elevation are on the opposite sides, it could be quadrant 1 or quadrant 3. This itself actually is forming the base for something called as first angle method of projection. First angle method of projection and third angle method of projection. Because these are the two quadrants for which the views are separated. Views are separated by XY line. And so we say that first angle method of projection with respect to XY line, you will have elevation above XY line and plan below XY line. Whereas in case of third angle method of projection, we will have plan above XY line and elevation below XY line. Of course, the conventions which are used are quite different. Like in case of first quadrant object, the object which is placed in the first quadrant, whatever is the object, say whose projection on XY can be shown like this, and its projection on vertical plane can also be shown. And then when we open it up, you will get a view like elevation is above XY line and plan is somewhere over here below XY, or first angle. But the sequence, if you see, it is going to be the observer, object and image.